Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off aeroplane mode in realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here, we already have realme mobile phone and this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Firstly, you have to move up and see this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone like that. Then firstly click on here setting icon. So click on the setting icon. After that you have to see here this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Then you have to see this type of icon if you want to on aeroplane mode in your mobile phone. So click on here. In this way aeroplane mode is on in your mobile phone. So it means that all the calls and notification are disabled to come in your mobile phone now, because aeroplane mode is on in your mobile phone. And you have to see here, in this way aeroplane mode is on in your mobile phone like that. And if you want to off aeroplane mode, so click on here. In this way aeroplane mode is off in your mobile phone like that. All the calls and notification are able to come in your mobile phone now. And you have to see in your status bar aeroplane like icon is not shown. So I hope this video helps you to on and off aeroplane mode in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.